Before we begin, make sure to watch this video till the end to see the complete Coca-Cola manufacturing process from start to finish. If you enjoy factory and production videos like this, like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more behind-the-scenes industrial content. Coca-Cola is more than just a soft drink. It is one of the most recognized beverages in the world, consumed by millions of people every single day. In this video, we take you inside a modern Coca-Cola bottling facility to see how this iconic cold drink is produced on a large industrial scale. Coca-Cola was created in the late 19th century and quickly gained popularity because of its distinctive taste. What started as a local beverage soon became a global brand, expanding across continents and cultures. While the original recipe remains carefully protected, the manufacturing process has evolved with time, using advanced automation and strict quality standards to deliver the same taste worldwide. Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins with water. Since water makes up most of the beverage, its quality is critical. Inside the factory, raw water is treated through multiple purification stages. These include filtration, softening, and sterilization to remove impurities, unwanted minerals, and microorganisms. Advanced monitoring systems continuously test water quality. Only water that meets strict food-grade standards is approved for production. This careful preparation ensures a clean, neutral base that allows the Coca-Cola flavor to remain consistent in every bottle. Along with purified water, other key ingredients are prepared separately. These include sweeteners, flavor concentrates, and carbonation components. Each ingredient is stored in controlled environments to protect freshness and stability. Temperature and humidity are carefully monitored at all times. Automated systems measure precise quantities of each ingredient. This accuracy is essential because even a small variation can change the final taste. Consistency at this stage ensures that Coca-Cola tastes the same in every market around the world. Next, the Coca-Cola syrup is prepared using automated blending systems. The syrup acts as the flavor core of the beverage. Mixing tanks are sealed and made from food-grade stainless steel. Advanced sensors monitor temperature, pressure, and composition throughout the process. Data is collected in real time to ensure perfect balance and uniformity. If any parameter moves outside the acceptable range, the system immediately alerts operators. Before moving forward, quality control teams perform additional checks to confirm the syrup meets Coca-Cola's global standards. Only approved batches are released for bottling. Carbonation gives Coca-Cola its signature fizz and refreshing mouthfeel. This step requires precise control. Carbon dioxide is injected into the beverage under controlled pressure and temperature. This ensures that carbonation levels remain stable and consistent. Proper carbonation not only affects taste, but also plays a role in shelf life and consumer experience. Now we enter the heart of the factory, the bottling line. Clean PET plastic bottles move smoothly along long stainless steel conveyor belts. These bottles are manufactured to precise specifications and inspected before use. Air rinsing systems remove any dust or particles from inside the bottles. This ensures a hygienic environment before filling begins. The bottles are then aligned perfectly and guided toward high-speed filling machines. At the filling station, dark black Coca-Cola is filled into each bottle with extreme accuracy. The filling machines are designed to control flow rate, pressure, and foam formation. This prevents spills and ensures uniform fill levels. Thousands of bottles can be filled every hour, all without stopping the conveyor line. It's fast, efficient, and highly controlled. Once filled, the bottles immediately move forward to the next stage. After filling, the bottles enter the capping section. Automated machines place red caps onto each bottle and tighten them with precise torque. This ensures a secure seal and protects the beverage from contamination.
Proper sealing also helps maintain carbonation and freshness throughout the product's shelf life. Quality control continues throughout the bottling process. High-speed cameras and sensors inspect every bottle. They check fill level, cap placement, label position, and overall appearance. Any bottle that does not meet quality standards is automatically removed from the line. This guarantees that only perfect products reach consumers. Approved bottles move forward to the labeling section. Coca-Cola labels are applied with precise alignment to maintain brand consistency.
Sensors verify that labels are correctly positioned and free from defects. Brand appearance is taken seriously because it reflects trust and quality. The bottles are grouped together and wrapped using Coca-Cola branded shrink film. The wrapped packs pass through heat tunnels where the film tightens securely around the bottles. This protects the bottles during handling and transportation. The packaging process is designed to be efficient while maintaining visual appeal. After packaging, the bottled packs are placed onto racks or pallets. These racks are transferred to warehouse areas using forklifts or automated vehicles. The warehouse environment is organized and temperature controlled. Products are stored according to batch numbers and distribution schedules. This allows for efficient tracking and inventory management. The sealed containers leave the factory and begin their journey to cities, stores, and retailers. Coca-Cola's logistics network ensures timely delivery while maintaining product quality. From water purification to syrup mixing, bottling, packaging, and transportation, every stage of Coca-Cola production follows strict quality and safety standards. This is how Coca-Cola is made, a perfect balance of tradition, innovation, and precision manufacturing, delivering refreshment to the world, one bottle at a time. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And let us know in the comments which factory or product should we explore next.